Jai Shri Ram. Today is a very auspicious day. At Ayodhya, our, uh, our Prime Minister laid a foundation stone for Rama Temple. A most awaited date. It's a very, very celebration. All around the country, we all are enjoying. Same to you. Just enjoy the day. Rama. The temple will be built. We all will worship. Go over there and worship. We all will go over there and worship. Most awaited Rama's temple at Ayodhya. Ram Janmabhoomi. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram. To everyone, to everyone. But the time, how Rama can be related to our lives. We should follow something, learn something from Rama, Lord Rama, and practice in our day to day life. Do you feel so? If you feel so, you should follow Rama and learn the inner management. Learn the inner management of Lord Rama. We learn from Lord Rama's life. Lord Rama is source of inspiration to all of us, isn't it? It's a source of inspiration to all of us. His ideals, loyalty and greatness. His ideals, loyalties and greatness, principle of dharma, moral, values and ethics. In spite of multiple difficulties, Rama always followed the path of truthfulness and dharma, isn't it? Rama, in spite of lots of difficulties, he followed the path of truthfulness and dharma. Problems in life arise in his life from his own family. Problem in his life arise from his own family. Keeping words of his father. Keeping words of his father, he went for 14 years into the jungle and spent a life like a common man. Spent a life like a common man. Isn't it? We also face some adverse situation. We should also enjoy the life the way it comes at that time. Isn't it? We should. And Rama honored his father's word. We should also honor our words. Whenever we will honor our words, then world will notice us. World will believe on us. So we should honor our words which give to people, isn't it? And then only we can be successful in life. People will trust on us, believe on us. If we don't do that, then what will happen? लोग कहेंगे ये काम का आदमी नहीं है, इसके साथ व्यवहार नहीं करना चाहिए. Never lose what? Hope. And also control on your body, mind and heart. You should have control on your body, mind and heart. You should not lose in times of difficulty. Keep yourself cool. Keep yourself cool, calm, and whenever you keep calm, cool, and stand in life strongly. Stand in life strongly, then no one can stop you to achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life, in spite of whatever the problem comes in your life. Just be cool, calm, and enjoy, and just face the problems coming in life with cool mind. In the worst and the tough situation, never ever give up. In worst and tough situation, never ever give up. Never ever give. When you don't give up, then you will be successful. Don't allow her. Don't allow your anger to mount on you. Don't allow your anger to mount on you, on your head and thoughts at any cost. Don't allow the anger to mount on you, on your head at any cost. Be cool and calm. Be cool and calm. If you become anger, if you become anger, then what will happen? You will lose your temper. You will lose your temper, which will lead to difficult situation and you cannot handle it out. If you want to control the situation, then don't become angry. Stop being angry. Rama never become angry in adverse situation, and you have to do the same. Please be cool and calm. It keeps yourself cool. If you keep yourself cool as Lord Rama did, then you will overcome every problem in front of you in your life. You will be master of yourself. You will be master of yourself when there is a coolness, a peacefulness within you. When there is a coolness, peacefulness within yourself, you can control everything. You can control everything. And be comfortable. Pursue your goal you want to achieve in life. And Rama did the same. Whatever the goal was there, he pursued that and succeeded in the mission. The same way, we pursue our goal and then we will achieve. You should do it the same as Rama did. Never give up. Never give up. And took charge of the adverse situation. Keep commanding the adverse situation. Keep cool yourself. Keep confident. Following the principles. Following the principles of high moral values and ethics. Don't drag away with the situation. Then you will be a winner as Rama was. Honor your words. Always in your life, whenever you honor your words in your life, don't worry whatever the price you have to pay for honoring your words. In long term, it will pay you. In long term, it will pay you if you are honoring words. Then your integrity and your character will be class apart as Rama's. Then your integrity and character will be class apart. Do you think so? Please honor your words. Be cool and calm. Don't be angry. And even whatever the situation comes, keep calm, cool, confident to be successful. Do you believe in that? or the problems you face in the life will vanish away, will vanish away when real and true principles of life learned from Lord Rama, that is courage, self confidence in adverse condition, keeping ourselves cool, honoring our words, then and then only will be successful in life. Loyalty are true characters. That means loyalty. We should be very much loyal everywhere in life. Then only our true characteristics will be known to the world as Ramas. Will you follow? Will you follow as Rama did? To be successful in life, today is the day not only to worship but to learn something from Lord Rama's life, which can change the entire life of all, everyone in this world, by following few things. Just honor your words. Just honor your words. Don't become angry. Be cool, calm, and quiet, focused, confident, following the principles of moral values and ethics. Then we all will be blessed with Rama's blessing and will be successful in life. Do you feel the same as I feel? Then follow whatever the principles we learn from Rama, which will make our life peaceful, enjoyable, lovable, admirable. And whatever we have fixed the goals in life, we are going to achieve. Be confident, honor your words, never be angry, smile, enjoy, and then see what changes come in your life. All this will make you a different person. If you follow all this thing, it will make you a different person, a great human being, a real diamond and a shining star. Real diamond, a shining star, and you will be loved by everyone in the world. So start following the principle of Rama to become a great human being, a successful person in life, enjoying the life as given by the God, and you can become heroes of number of people. Thank you very much. Good evening to all. Thank you very much.